back to my channel.
Today, I have something incredibly exciting to share with you all. We're diving into the world of modern outdoor pavilion design ideas. You know, those stunning structures that enhance the beauty of outdoor spaces and bring people together in nature. Now, when it comes to modern outdoor pavilions, the possibilities are endless. From sleek and minimalist designs to more extravagant and eye-catching ones. These structures can truly transform any outdoor space into a retreat for relaxation and entertainment. So, without further ado, let's explore a more cozy and intimate pavilion design.